Hey everyone at NeoGraft. I'm Dr. Martin Maag, the Medical Director of Honest Hair Restoration here in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. I just wanted to take a few minutes to update you on what's been happening since attending your preceptorship back in April. I want to say with the help, encouragement, and guidance from all of you, including 225, I have been able to navigate successfully the difficult world of advertising to generate patient interest and engagement. I've had multiple calls as a result of the website that was produced for me, and I've had several patient consults. I recently performed my first hair transplant in my new clinic with the help of Carmen Ramirez, your lead regional manager of training and certification for the grafters at NeoGraft. With Carmen's help, I was able to seamlessly and successfully accomplish what is always an extremely anxiety-filled situation. Let's face it, first patient in a new clinic is what sets the tone for the future success of that clinic. And today, it was a home run. I can thank Carmen for that. She is an outstanding professional that uses her experience and skills to make sure that everything goes as smoothly as possible. From setup to cleanup, the grafters are what make the difference. Not only did I purchase a machine from NeoGraft, but I formed a partnership with a team of people that are dedicated to helping me be as successful as possible. Thank you, NeoGraft. Thank you, Carmen. Honest Hair Restoration of Lakewood Ranch, Florida is off to a great start because of you. Thank you.